The Convent of San Esteban is a Dominican convent located in the city of Salamanca. The Dominicans settled in Salamanca between 1255 and 1256. On the current site of the convent, occupied by the parish church of San Esteban, they built the original convent, later destroyed to build the current one, in 1524. Although it is considered an excellent example of the Plateresque style, the length of its construction phases explains the mixture of styles ranging from late Gothic to Baroque.
You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Tryna get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. There's more to me, everywhere I try to go alone, I find you're there. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. Oh, there's more to me, but anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. I find you there. I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining, all I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more screaming and silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone, or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. There's more to me, everywhere I try to go alone, I find you're there. Yeah, yeah. You follow me, anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. Oh, there's more to me, but anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. I find you there.
Fingers stained with blood, been grasping all day, losing my touch with reality. a tale sworn in a sight, finding my way back to
one specific frequency. Release me, set me free. Release me, set me free. So lost, so torn, can't help, need more. So lost, so torn. Oh, this is a tale sworn in a sight, finding my way back to
Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.